We're here. We're at the Ganges. This is in Bihar, India. So the Ganges runs down from the Himalayas about 10,000 feet up, and then it empties down. And this is like the lifeblood of a lot of India, is the Ganges River. So this fresh water flowing through. There's a lot of issues pollution-wise, a lot of issues. I want you to investigate some of those issues that we may have. We've looked at the Nile River, which was the longest river in the world. The Nile River, it flows north and it goes through Africa, and it was the largest freshwater that all of Egypt, depending on 100 million people, right? In Bihar alone, which is about the size of Tennessee, in this state alone in India, there's 113 million people. So think about it. All of Egypt depends on the Nile, and here in this state, which is about the size of Tennessee, there are more people that, once again, depend on the Ganges in more ways than one. Not only for fresh water, but also for religious purposes and things like that. They consider it holy. I want you to look for pollution points, just like we did in the Tennessee River. What are points of pollution? What are some possibilities that we are, what are some things that they could look out for? What are some ways that they could make some changes maybe in order to have less pollution? We'll show pictures and some other things where and look at some of the parameters, but I want you to do some investigation looking at the map in class.